Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a Paula Deen recipe. It's called Georgia cracker salad. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to be making a half of serving because there's just me and Calvin, and I made a creamy ham potato soup just a while ago, and I'm going to be serving this salad tonight with our soup. So the first thing I'm going to do is crumble up these crackers, and this is a half of a sleeve of them. And this is saltine crackers. Paula used a whole sleeve of them because she made the whole serving. And also she said that whenever you make this salad, this is not a salad that you can just leave, because the crackers will get soggy in it. So you want to just serve this right up to you make it and serve it right up to your guest. Okay, I think those are about cracked up enough. That's not the right word you say. Smushed up enough. Okay, now then I'm going to put my boiled egg in, and she just took her hands and just squished it up like this. So that's what I'm going to do. After all, she is the queen of cooking. Okay, so she just smushed it up like that. Okay, I am going to wipe my hands a little bit. Okay, and since I think the original recipe calls for a cup and a half, but I'm just putting 3/4 in. Okay, I'm going to put in 2 green onions. One of our subscribers wanted us to make a Georgia cracker salad, and so I seen Paula Deen make this a long time ago. I think this was when she was doing quarantine cooking. I'm not sure, but anyway, so I thought it looked good, so I wanted to try it also, because I put 2 green onions in it, and so now I'm putting in 1 Roma tomato, and all you do is just mix it up. Now I'm going to do the taste test. Okay. Let me get some of the green onion, the cracker, and the tomato. This may be a big bite. Looks like one. That's really yummy. This would really be a good summer salad, but I'm going to enjoy it today with my good soup that I just got through making. I hope y'all enjoy this easy salad. I never have seen anything that Paula Deen made wasn't good. And so I tasted of it, and it was delicious. So I hope y'all will make it and enjoy it as good as I did just now. So do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. This is what we're having for supper tonight. We're having creamy ham potato soup, garlic bread, and Georgia cracker salad. And I've tasted every bit of it, and it all tastes great.